And you can see still quite juicy, still pink in the middle, and yet you have this sort of roasted ring. And it gives us a much more even pinkness throughout and right up to the edge. So we're now weighing in at 900 grams. So the original weight was 1.250. So that's 350 grams loss, so nearly over a quarter of its weight, which is quite a fair amount. And then we will weigh the second. So this is the Delta T cooking. And this one was 1.255. And we are weighing in at 1 kilo and 65. So actually 150 grams less weight loss when cooking with Delta T, which is a considerable amount. And we'll also carve the meat, so we can just have a look inside at the finished product.